Hi, this is Stacy, and in this video I will show you how to make crafts out of candy. The first idea is to make a candy necklace or bracelet. I will be showing you how to make a bracelet. You can pick any candy with a hole in it. I have chose Lifesavers. You will need to cut some yarn or string, and I tied a Lifesaver already to my yarn, and then you're just going to place the candy on the yarn. Lifesavers also come in colors, so that will work for your child as well. Once you have put all your candy on your bracelet and tie it together, you can show it off or you can eat it. Another idea is to use candy to make Tic Tac Toe. I have chose Pixie Stix to use to make the game. You can also use licorice or any other ideas you have. Once you form the game, then you need the pieces, and I've used sweet tarts. I chose 2 different colors, or you can use gummy bears or any other candy or different animals, and then you can play the game. The last idea is to use Pixie Stix to make sand art. You will need however many different colored Pixie Stix you want, and a baby jar. Make sure it's clean and the label is off. And then you're ready to dump the Pixie Stix. It takes about 5 or 6 of the same color to make one layer. Continue filling your jar with the Pixie Stix, and you have made a Pixie Stix sand art.